kandi abarisa okuruga mu district ya Kiruhura ahamwe na ya Kazo bakwatanise nabe byo kwerinda bikirizingine ngo habase kubaho ebikwekweto mu district zombi nekigenderwa eco kumaraho obushuma bw'matungo. Urukiko rurubire ahambuge nkuru eza district ya Kiruhura.
Ebi byona bigambirwe Meja General Tumusime Kasigazi oryo muhwezi wo mudumizi wa police omwihanga obwabire akuriro rukiko rwo byo kwerinda orbiro rutebekanisibwe ahambuga nkuru za district ya Kiruhura.
As police and the other security agencies, we form a team to come mainly arrest the suspects who are suspected to be stealing cows.
Tumusime ahamize ku police n'ebindi bitongore baza kukwatanisa okurebeka ngo bateka Ebikwekweto Okumaraho Obushuma bw'matungo.
We will take this matter seriously to ensure that our personnel respond. If you fail to respond, then we shall take action against them. Then we've been able to sit with the members of parliament here, and one of them is Honorable Wilson Kajrenje, who is the chairperson of Defense and Internal Affairs Committee, that is responsible for ensuring that the police is facilitated, and he has promised to take up the matter to see to it that we get the necessary budget to ensure that we acquire all the tools we need.
Tumusime ayonjire yagira ngo naza kurebeka ngo kitongore cha polisi batekamwe amani omukurikirize bizubu by'abantu.
Now we're going to sit as interagency of security agencies, police, army, ISO, other intelligence agencies, to ensure that we form a team that will come and handle this threat in the two districts.
Kandi babebembezi nabo bashoborire ekigenderwa cyo rukikuru kandi bahamya ko baza gukora cyone cyo kubasika okumaraho obushuma bw'amatungo.
Ahabo kuba abantu bonka ko kubazamo wahurire bakugamba ncyoroba no kutunga abashuma mbwenu ekigenderwa ntubasata kuheza ho bushuma mu Kiruhura oburyo n'ubutahataho mu ntasiya yeyitu nicyo cyakiri kigenderwa kizoberi kandi cyaba kikuru ahabo kuba twahana amagezi yaza kutereza special operation.
Abantu bagira ngo wena orukwata ha kintu ekikwatirina no kutunga amatungo gabo naba yakwata ha ntasiya yabo kandi neshaho yabarisa
itwe nka Kiruhura entasiya yitu nkuru no burisa no buhingi mbwenu wakwata ha burisa no bawataho mu nshaho seitu naro wakwata ha ntasiya yo muntu wa Kiruhura
buri omasho mese murana ekibikibyo mu mushongo twira abansende za PDM embuzi bazi twireze munaza nganzire bamaso batwaraza PDM of course batwaraneze mugana bo kunyaga government no bararetwe
ahabo kuba hati twayirebera twareba ngo abantu abargomagombora go no mu district ibintu barara nkuba kutera nduru police terukikayo nebetangire kunkane betene kwerashye
babarisa nabo borikiro kwetombuita kwabo aha polisi ahabo kugira ngo eji ekireze yo kuryenguzi kandi no kuremwa kuhindura abakozi kabajiso abariyo nibeyongera kuremesa ntunguka
abazangire ku 2016 nere ku 2021 kishaba kitaho magomboro bata abanki batayijurwa barabe yagira umpolitics yatsimbire mu national centenary nyinarine na cyangwa rwanzo wazo ngwebembezi nkimayisa ngwe mirimo yabaneza gukora tekwisha gukora mwene bagiso mukamange babijure
twakabuzaga ejeni miyengunde cye cyara ebarha yayo eyagiho kuza kugisyabucya kwindika inyama hatungwa abantu bagiriye yarga mu muhanda none nyina kutwagira crime intelligence tukagera local government tukagera abashaha bafite hostam ahanyama tukarwanisiza hazabucya ati abo shoma kuba wingi na zabucya state licenses kaba nyingi
twine police enkozi ya sente twine police erupi mkongo kasheshe ikajwara uniform ikazo ha police station bizire gukora sente batizire gukora bizu by'abantu batizire gukora bizire gukora sente bategeriza umuntu urukwisha gukora sente konka generally ekishane cyangwa corruption police ni very key nambwe nchoro umuntu arakureta yo mushango wakureta Kiruhura bakugira ngo bakutwara region ukahurira ngutuine kiriyo ekikorwa
urukiko rurubire rwo kureba ngo abarisa batwirene betombwita ahubwo kwibuka ko amatungo gabo kwahwaho kandi no kutaho imihanda okurebeka ngo ubona baryo mu bihome bajunanwa kuko birajura biri kugira amakuru agagasha kwa Job Kato ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga
webare Job Kato